How does a criminal trial work? Breaking news in the legal world. The question on many people's minds right now is, how does a criminal trial actually work? With recent high-profile cases making headlines, understanding this process is more important than ever. If you or someone you know is curious about the steps involved in a criminal trial, you are in the right place. A criminal trial is a structured legal process where the government prosecutes an individual accused of a crime. The accused, known as the defendant, has the right to defend themselves. The trial typically begins with jury selection. Here, potential jurors are questioned to ensure they can be impartial. This is a vital step because a fair jury is essential for justice. Next, both sides present their opening statements. The prosecution outlines their case, while the defense gives an overview of their position. This sets the stage for what is to come. Following this, the presentation of evidence takes place. The prosecution presents evidence and calls witnesses to support their claims. The defense then has the chance to cross-examine these witnesses. After the prosecution has presented its case, the defense can present its own evidence and call witnesses. This is where the defense can challenge the prosecution's arguments. Once both sides have presented their cases, closing arguments occur. Each side summarizes their points and tries to persuade the jury. The judge then provides jury instructions, explaining the legal standards the jury must use to make their decision. After this, the jury deliberates in private. They discuss the evidence and decide if the defendant is guilty or not guilty. This deliberation is a critical part of the process, as it reflects the jury's collective judgment. Throughout the trial, the defendant has the right to legal counsel, ensuring their defense is adequately represented. If the jury finds the defendant guilty, sentencing follows. The judge determines the punishment, and the defense can argue for a reduced sentence. Criminal trials can be lengthy and complex, especially in serious cases. Recent developments in the legal system may influence strategies for defense attorneys. Defendants should always consult with their legal counsel before speaking to law enforcement. This structured process aims to balance the prosecution's duty to prove guilt with the defendant's right to a fair defense. Understanding how a criminal trial works can help demystify the legal system and empower individuals facing legal challenges.